Hello, my name is Schroth. I'm here at the IMTS in Chicago. I want to introduce you to Suco Technologies. We have a full line of mechanical pressure switches, electronic pressure switches and pressure transducers. Today our feature product is a electronic pressure switch which can be actually programmed on site. We have this small programming device. We can hook up the pressure switch, and with a software it's very easy to program the upper set point, the lower set point, the differential, a delay on, a delay off, and with a press of a button the set point is programmed and ready to go on the machine. For more information, please go to our website www.suco-tech.com. Thank you very much for watching our video.